We are following mathematics textbook for class 8th pertaining to Telangana government. Open page number 95. In page number 95, look at problem number 9 and problem number 10. In this video, we are going to solve these two problems. We are going to solve problem number 9 and problem number 10 in this video. In problem number 9, there are 4 problems 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to solve all these problems. First problem is 9m square minus 10n cube. In the question, what he says is if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the values of all these things. We have to find the values of all these equations when m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. ఇక్కడ m value n value already ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి we have to substitute m value and n value and find out the values of all these equations. Let us see how can we find. As told in the question, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. We have to find the value of this equation. What we have to do to find the value of this equation? We have to substitute m value with 3, n value with 2. Since m is equal to 3, we replaced m with 3 here. Since n is equal to 2, we have to replace n with 2. So we replaced n with 2. Let us simplify this further. Since 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, we have written 9 here because 3 into 3 is 9. What is the value of 3 cube? Sorry, what is the value of 2 cube? Here 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So we have to write 8 here. So we have written 10 into 8 here. Since there is nothing between 9 and 3, we have to put multiplication symbol here. Since there is nothing between 10 and 2, we have to put multiplication symbol here. Let us simplify further. Here 9 into 9, 81. So we have written 81. 10 into 8, 80. Now the final result is 1. 81 minus 80, we got 1. So this is the final answer. Let us solve next problem. Let us solve this problem. Here we have to find the value of this equation. As we have done in earlier problem, we have to replace the values of m and n. We know the value of m and n. m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2 according to problem. So we replaced m with 3. We replaced m with 3 because m is equal to 3. We replaced n with 2 because n is equal to 2. Let us simplify this further. Since 3 square is equal to 9, we have written 9 here. We got 2 into 9. Since 2 square is equal to 4, we have to write 4 here. We got 4 here. We have written 2 into 9 into 4. 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72. So we have written 72 here. This is the final answer for problem number 2. Let us solve third problem. This is the third problem. Here we know the values of m and n. M value is equal to 3, n value is equal to 2. As we have done in earlier problems, we have to replace the values of m and n with 3 and 2. Here we replaced m with 3 because m is equal to 3. Here we replaced n with 2 because n is equal to 2. Again we got m and n here. We have to replace m value with 3 and n value with 2. So we have replaced m value and n value here. Here 3 cube is equal to 27. So we have written 27 here. Likewise 2 square is equal to 4. So we have to write 4 here. So we have written 3 into 4. Here 3 square is equal to 9. So we have to write 9 here. Let us simplify this further. 2 into 27, 54. 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 9, 45. 45 into 2, 90. So we got this result. Let us simplify this further. Here we got 54 plus 12, 66. Minus 90. 66 minus 90, we got minus 24. Since here minus value is more, we got minus symbol. Since here 90 is more than 66, we deducted 66 from 90. Then we got 24. Then we got minus value here, as minus value is more. Minus 24 is the final answer for problem number 3. Let us solve next problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. M to the power of n minus n to the power of m. We know the values of m and n, so we have to replace m value and n value in this equation. Since m value is equal to 3, we replaced m with 3 and n with 2 because m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. In the same way, we replaced here also. 3 square is equal to 3 into 3. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So we have written 9 here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So we have written 8 here. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So we got final answer 1. So answer for fourth problem is 1. Let us solve 10th problem next. 10th problem is simplify and give reasons. We have to simplify this equation and give reasons for simplification. Observe this equation carefully. What we have noticed is there is a fraction within the bracket. There is a fraction within the bracket, and outside we got exponents. Exponent. Here also exponent is there outside the bracket. This is called whole power. This is called whole power 5. This is called whole power 7. When we get whole power like this, we have to use a law of exponents. This is the law of exponents we have to use when we get whole power like this. The law of exponents is a by b whole power m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. By applying this law of exponents, let us simplify this equation. By applying this law of exponents, we simplified this part of the equation as below. We have given exponent to 4 and exponent to 7 separately. We got 4 to the power of minus 5 by 7 to the power of minus 5. In the same way, we have given exponent to these two things separately. So we got here 7 to the power of minus 7 . We got here 4 to the power of minus 7. Observe carefully. Here we can find same bases here and here, here and here. Let us reorganize this equation. We have written this base here. In the same way, we have to write this base here. So we have written this base here. We interchanged both the bases. Now we got bases same as numerator and denominator. We got same base for numerator and denominator. Now let us convert the negative exponents into positive ones. By writing reciprocal of this fraction, we got negative exponents into positive. We changed negative exponents into positive. We have written this denominator as numerator and this numerator as denominator here. We got positive exponents for numerator and denominator. In the same way, we have written reciprocal of this fraction. Now we got positive exponents for denominator and numerator. When the bases are same like this, we have to apply a law of exponents. Let us see what is the law of exponents. This is the law of exponents we have to use when numerator and denominator is same. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. By using this law of exponents, let us simplify this fraction first. We have written 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. See, here exponent of numerator is 7, exponent of denominator is 5. We deducted 5 from 7. We got 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. In the same way, we have to write in this case also. Now we got 7 to the power of 5 minus 7. Let us simplify this further. Here we got 4 square. Since 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, we got exponent 2 here. In the same way, we got exponent minus 2 here because 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. When we get minus exponent like this, we have to apply a law of exponents. This is the law of exponents we have to use when we get exponent minus like this. The law of exponents is a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Let us apply this law of exponents in this case. By applying this law of exponents, we got 1 by 7 square. Let us simplify this further. Now we have to multiply 4 square with 1. 4 square with 1. 4 square into 1, 4 square. So we have written 4 square here. We have written 7 square here. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. So we got 16 here. 7 square is equal to 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 49. We got 49 here. This is the final answer for problem number 10.